And today it's the 13th of June 2022. Well, we have Folkungagatan 55 in Stockholm, Sweden. This is close to Medborgarplatsen metro station or to Tunnelbanan station. It's very nice. It's got almost like pre-evergreen type of pictures, but it's still with red light, so maybe it's a modernized 2000s Kone or late 1990s. It's possible. I believe like 1999 or something.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful camera. Still beautiful. I'm not sure how old this is. Late 1920s or 1930s, but we'll check the information later. It doesn't say it here. There are 6 floors here. This is the kind of fellow which really needed to film it.
Yeah.
Two rides, if possible.
Yeah.
And it could also be modernized 1997 because it has this older job of Stockholm. It will be inspected in November 2022 this year.
Inspected by besiktningar i Sverige.
AB?
Ja, made by Hissen.
Hissen AB. You can press. I think that type of gate that we have in Finland would have been even better, you know, that type.
Yeah, of course, this is generic gate,
But still Kone.
Yeah.
Still very nice.
Yeah.
But Stockholm is too generic, of course, but this is still not too generic.
Yeah.
Still really nice.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And the shaft is also very beautiful too, rounded.
Yeah. It's strange that almost all gate developers in Sweden have generic gates rather than normal gates.
Even those that are modernized with Kone or better.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much.
That's
for watching.